Imagine turning $10 to $500, not with Bitcoin, but with a crypto that most guys have ignored. So in this video, I'll be showing you 4 cheap cryptos that you can invest with a small capital and you will be expecting your 10x in no due time. This is not a financial advice. I am just sharing projects that I think are very much interesting. So do well to do your own research before investing. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end because number 3 and number 4 will blow your mind. The number 3 is an underrated coin and number 4 is a very popular coin that most persons are still ignoring. The first on our list is Cardano, also known as ADA. I know most persons will say that this project is already big, thereby doubting the possibility of it getting bigger. But you know what? Bitcoin has set an example for us that as long as a project keeps building, there's no limitation to how far it can go. And one more thing I love about this project is their focus on building secured and scalable blockchain. So it's definitely one to watch out for in the long term. The next on our list is Polygon, also known as Matic. So if you've ever used Ethereum, you should know that the gas fee is insane. So Polygon has brought us a solution by ensuring a cheaper and faster transaction. Also, they've got partnership deals with big companies like Meta and Disney. So now before we continue, to see more of this, make sure you hit that like button, comment and subscribe. Now let's go. Another project which I think is underrated at our number 3 is VeChain, also known as VET. VeChain is all about supply chain management. They help big companies to track products and fight counterfeits. So it's not just hype. Big companies are actually using them. And finally, at our number 4 is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu started as a meme, but the community is very huge. And with the launching of Shibarium, it's becoming more than just a meme. Also, the price is very cheap, and with a little investment, you can buy a lot of tokens. So these are the 4 cryptos that I think have potential: Cardano, Polygon, VeChain, and Shiba Inu. Of course, the market can be unpredictable, but if you are looking for affordable options, these are worth looking out for. So now, which crypto do you think has more potential? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you found this useful.